Our seminar was about street style collection of INDOLA, which is inspired from the street fashion. And also we talk about new product which Nazih Group launched in the Middle East region. The innovation makes INDOLA stand out of our brand. Always we want to move forward, to invent new colors, as you can see, expression color. Also we show today the color transformer, which is also an innovation. I like to work for Nazih Group. It's really a perfect organization. Always everything is done super.